Yes, student. Now, some question regarding dual nature or de Broglie equation. Calculate the energy of one mole of photon. Okay, remember here, not one photon, but the question is one mole of photon of radiation whose frequency is 5 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. Hertz is also unit of what? Frequency. So, student, what is about the de Broglie equation? The de Broglie equation is what? E is equal to hv. Are you getting? So here E is what? Energy, not given in the question. H is what? Planck's constant. This is 6 into 6 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. Getting? And what is the V? V is given here, that is nu is given, frequency is given 5 into 10 to the power 14 H. So very simple. What we have to find? E. So to find E, now I start placing value 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 multiplied by what? Frequency. That is what? 5 into 10 to the power 14. So this is what beta? This is energy of one photon. Remember, what is this? This is energy of one photon. Okay. So to find energy of one mole of photon, one mole of photon. So we have to multiply it by mole. That is Avogadro number. So one mole of photon, it is equal to what? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 multiplied by the total energy. What is the total energy? This is the total energy of one photon. So this is what? This is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 multiplied by 5 into 10 to the power 14. You will get the answer. Okay, you will solve it. Getting? Simple question. Simple solution is there. Second question is a 100-watt bulb. Okay, 100-watt bulb which we are using at our home. Now, let it. A 100-watt bulb emits monochromatic light. Monochromatic, mono means what? One, chrome means what? Color. Suppose there is a red color bulb, there is a yellow color bulb or a blue color bulb. This is called a monochromatic bulb. Getting? Or monochromatic light, that is having the single color light of wavelength, and the wavelength of this radiation is what? 400 nanometer. Now calculate the number of photon, that is how many number of photon will be emitted per second by the bulb. Getting? So student, we are having the formula. What? Solution is number of photon is equal to power. Okay, that is power upon what? Energy. Power upon energy. So here we have to first find out power. So how to find the power? The power is given 100-watt bulb. So power is equal to 100 watt is equal to now 100 joule per second. Now this is the meaning of power. In that way we are changing the power. Getting? Like power of the bulb 100 watt is equal to conversion in joule per second. Remember, it is very important thing. Now what we have to find? We have to find energy. So what is the formula of energy? So E is equal to hv, or what we are calling, one more formula is there. E is equal to now h, and in place of nu you can write C upon what? Lambda. Now E is equal to h into C upon lambda. Now start placing value. What is h beta? Planck's constant 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34. What is C? You know, C is always constant, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay, h is given. Is it given in the question? Yes, wavelength is given in the question. What is it? Sorry, lambda. What is the lambda? It is given in the question. 400 nanometer. It is equal to 400 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Why there is need to write this thing? It is because, student, here the velocity of light is given by meter per second. Therefore, the nanometer must be converted very fast into meter. And how do we convert it in? 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Now, start solving the question very fast. Solution. So, E is equal to H, that is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 multiplied by velocity 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by what? Lambda. This is 400 into 10 to the power 9. Getting? When you will solve this one, okay, now place the value where? This one. That's what? To find number of photon, power of energy. So, number of photon is equal to, now power is what? 100 divided by the whole value. What is the whole value here? Here what we get here. So you place the value of E. This is the value of E and then solve. You can get the answer. Third question is the threshold frequency. Threshold frequency V0. Its value is what? 7 into 10 to the power 14. While the incident frequency, this is called the incident frequency. The value of incident frequency, that is V, is 1.0 into 10 to the power 15. 10 to the power 15. That is, student, you can check here. This value is greater than this value. That means what? Incident frequency is always greater as compared to threshold frequency in the case of photoelectric effect. Getting? So this is what? That one. Now, according to what? Einstein formula. Einstein formula, E is equal to H, okay, in bracket V minus V0. Now start pressing value. You can get E is equal to H. In place of H, you can write 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34. Okay, and in bracket, now write in place of V, this is 7 into 10 to the power 14. Okay, minus 1.0 into 10 to the power what? 15. Now student, you can find here the exponent are different. Here what? 14 and here what? 15. So what to do? You can convert it. You can convert it into particular number. So if we convert 1.0 into 10 to the power 15, place value of V 1.0 into 10 to the power 15 minus 7.0 into 10 to the power what? 14. Getting? But here the exponent are different. Here it is 15 and here it is 14. So we can convert it into whole number 10 into 10 to the power 14 minus 7.0 into 10 to the power 14. Now 10 minus 7 is equal to 3 into 10 to the power. Now the 14, the powers are same. Therefore it will remain what? Same according to scientific notation. And now simply multiply it by 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34. You will get here answer. Okay, go to solve it. Yes.